On June 30, 2025, Russian forces reportedly employed a new type of low-cost kamikaze drone to strike the northeastern Ukrainian city of Kharkiv, according to Ukrainian local officials and media sources, including United 24 Media. While the drone's exact designation has not been officially confirmed by Russian sources, it has been referred to in some Ukrainian reports as the Chernika, though this name remains unofficial. This first documented use comes as Russia continues to supplement large-scale Shahed drone barrages with smaller, domestically produced attack drones, intensifying pressure on Ukraine's air defenses. According to Ukrainian military sources and open-source observers, the Chernika appears to be part of Russia's expanding arsenal of cheap, expendable one-way attack drones designed for frontline and near-frontline operations. Initial analysis of debris from the Kharkiv strike suggests a very simple construction, using lightweight foam and composite materials common in commercially available hobby drones. This approach keeps production costs low, reportedly as little as $350 per unit, according to some Ukrainian officials cited by United 24 Media, and allows for rapid assembly, despite sanctions and production bottlenecks. Ukrainian defense experts have expressed concern that the Chernika's rudimentary appearance could conceal more advanced features, such as improved GPS navigation or basic autopilot capabilities. Such upgrades could make these drones more difficult to jam or intercept, particularly when used in large numbers or in coordinated swarms alongside Shahed drones and cruise missiles. The drone's size and low radar signature add to the challenge, especially for air defense systems already stretched thin by daily attacks. Unlike larger Iranian-made Shahed drones, which are typically launched for longer-range saturation strikes, the new Russian-built drones are likely intended for shorter-range tactical attacks from positions close to Ukraine's border. Their primary targets include lightly protected infrastructure, vehicles, and residential or industrial areas within urban zones like Kharkiv, which has been repeatedly hit by Russian drone and missile attacks since the start of the full-scale invasion. The reported strike demonstrates how Russia is adapting its drone warfare tactics to sustain constant pressure on Ukrainian rear areas, even when large-scale missile barrages are less frequent. Ukrainian officials have highlighted the urgent need to expand the country's layered air defense network, including electronic warfare systems, interceptor drones, and more mobile short-range air defense units, to mitigate the threat posed by these increasingly frequent low-cost drone incursions. The introduction of the Chernika underscores the evolving nature of Russia's drone strategy, combining inexpensive, mass-produced platforms with persistent, unpredictable strikes to exhaust Ukrainian defenses. As drone warfare becomes more sophisticated and accessible, the risk remains that simple, commercially inspired UAVs can inflict significant disruption and damage when deployed at scale along the heavily contested front lines of Ukraine's cities and border regions. Earlier in June, Ukraine's Southern Defense Forces reported shooting down 3 upgraded Chernika-2 drones using Ukrainian interceptor drones. Footage of the downed drones showed one with a handwritten message on the fuselage. "Will someone just shoot it down already?" The Chernika-2 is a lightweight flying-wing drone with a cruising speed of 75 km per hour, an operational range of up to 80 km, and a flight ceiling below 1.5 km. It carries a 3.5 kg warhead and is equipped with a terminal guidance system, allowing it to strike targets even when control or GPS signals are jammed. Despite these features, the drone is believed to be relatively low cost. Its dark-colored body suggests it's intended for night operations, though recent strikes have occurred during daylight, and there's no sign of an infrared camera on board. Military expert Oleksandr Kovalenko noted that despite its improvised construction, possibly using black foam, the drone poses a real danger. Jokes about foam and sticks aside, this cheap improvised device with terminal guidance and a 3.5 kilograms warhead is dangerous not only to personnel but also to lightly armored vehicles, he said. The Chernika is reportedly armed with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead, known as kaplia, often used to strike targets behind Ukrainian front lines. As of April 2024, Russian forces had reportedly received more than 7,000 Chernika 1 and 4,500 Chernika 2 drones. In April 2025, Russian media reported that airborne units had begun receiving modernized Chernika 2s, equipped with a terminal phase homing system. The system is designed to guide the drone to a target if a control or video signal is lost. The Chernika series includes two known models, Chernika-1 and Chernika-2, introduced into Russian service in 2022. Both are FPV-type kamikaze drones based on a flying wing design. Chernika-1 carries a 0.7 kilograms high-explosive warhead with a reported range of up to 80 kilometers and a cruising speed of 75 kilometers per hour. It can reach altitudes of 1,500 meters. Chernika-2 is a larger variant, equipped with a warhead weighing between 2.5 and 3.5 kilograms and a claimed range of up to 100 kilometers. It cruises at 60 kilometers per hour, and in a reconnaissance configuration, its battery can sustain up to 2 hours of flight.